So let's have a look at the first adjustment for V Leahy, the 2023 sole trader question. So it's saying that stock at the end of the year, so that's our closing stock, was valued at 82,600. This figure includes damaged stock, so that damaged stock which cost 5,800. So you need to take away that 5,800 away from the 82,600. But now we've realized that this 5,800 has a net realizable value of 75% of cost. So our cost is this 5,800. So you need to get 75% of this 5,800 and add it on. So you're working. Remember, these are workings, good idea to keep them clear for the examiner. So it's easy for them to identify where your figures are. Don't necessarily have to write this stuff down. If you can calculate this in a faster way than I'm doing, by all means doing it. It's just as a guidance of how to calculate the figure. So the cost, or the amount, might be a better term for it. So the amount for our closing stock is 82,600. We're going to take away the damaged stock, which is from the question. Even this here is going to be from the question as well. So it is 82,600 is from the question. Your damaged stock 5,800. It's taken from the question. We need to take that away because it's damaged. But then we realize that of that 5,800, 75% has got a net realizable value. So you need to find 75% of the 5,800. I need to add that figure back on then. So our closing stock is going to be 81,150. So that's usually going to go into your trading account as part of your profit and loss. So that's your first working for V Leahy for the 2023 sole trader question.